How to get SoFi Referral link. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to obtain SoFi Referral link, you can follow these steps. First of all, you want to go ahead and access your SoFi account via the mobile app or website. In the app, you want to simply tap on the profile icon and simply select Invite Friends. Once you select it, you want to go ahead and tap on Refer a Friend in your account dashboard. And just like that, you want to go ahead and copy your link. Your unique referral link will be displayed. Tap on Copy Link to share it directly, or use the provided option to share via mail, text, or social media. When someone uses your link to sign up for their SoFi account and meets the qualifying criteria such as funding their account with a required minimum, you will both receive a bonus. The specific bonus amount and requirement can vary, so it's advisable to check your current terms on SoFi's official referral program page. Please note that SoFi may impose annual limits on referral bonus. For instance, some user may have reported a cap of $10,000 in referral earning per calendar year. If you encounter any issues or have any questions about the program, SoFi's customer support is available to assist you. And just like that, you can get a referral link on SoFi. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.